Why am I not getting clients for my web design and marketing agency in 2025? I'm about to explain exactly why. Look, it's true, the space is getting saturated. A lot of people are doing freelance work. A lot of people are building websites. A lot of people are doing Facebook ads. A lot of people are doing marketing. Everyone's starting a marketing agency. So how do you stick out and how do you actually get clients? And it really just comes down to 2 words: personal brand. What makes you different than the people on Fiverr, Upwork, the people from China, Bangladesh, India doing work for very, very cheap? Well, it's the personal brand behind the marketing agency. The personal brand has done big things for my marketing agency and web design agency, and has gotten me a lot of clients for free. I started off posting on my Instagram, even just changing my bio, putting a nice picture on the profile page, posting about marketing, right? Talking about what I do, talking about my industry, talking about my niche, talking about results, talking about past work. Just post consistently on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your YouTube, and you will get clients and you will stand out from the crowd. I'm gonna tell you right now, you're not going to get far if you're just DMing and cold calling people, hoping that you're gonna scale to 10K per month with your marketing agency. It's just not gonna happen. Yes, you might get a few sales. Yes, you might close a few deals from the cold outreach, the DMs, the phone calls. Maybe you're even running ads. But in the long run, you're not going to scale past 10, 20, 30, 40, 50K per month if you're not building that personal brand behind the marketing. People like to put a face to the company. People just don't like to buy from a company. They like to buy from people. So if you can be that face, if you can guide potential customers, guide people in your industry towards your marketing services, right? You seem like the proven expert. You seem trusted in the space. You're on social media, you're on YouTube, you're DMing them, you're cold calling them like, hey man, I'm from this company, I DM'd you. They see your page and it's a lot more credibility. It's like almost a resume. Your Instagram and Facebook should be like a resume, and your website as well, right? You outreach to people, they see your page, they see your website, they see reviews, they see past work, they see your face, they see how professional you look. That gives you the upper hand across anyone else that's reaching out to them, because guys, these business owners are getting 50 to 100 cold DMs every single day. Let's say your niche is roofers, right? You're reaching out to roofers in the United States and you're trying to build them a website, you're trying to do their marketing, you're trying to do their AI automations, whatever it might be. You're a marketing agency and you're reaching out to a roofing company. Guys, I have a roofing client and he gets so many DMs, so many Facebook messages of people like, hey, let me do this for you. Hey, let me do that for you. Hey, let me do this for you. Like, so many cold callers, so many cold DMs. He tells me like, bro, I'll get 100 cold calls a day. Like, these business owners that are on Google Maps, Facebook, Instagram, local businesses, guys, these guys are getting so many cold calls. So how are you going to stand out from the crowd? How do you get your DMs, your messages to not get buried in the hundreds of messages they're getting every single day? You need to pair organic with paid ads. That's honestly the best strategy in 2025. And it just comes down to how far do you really want to take it? You actually want to make over 10 grand per month with your marketing agency, then you need to invest in a good professional studio or office or home office, whatever it is. Put a nice backdrop, get some lighting, get a few decorations. That's all you need for a home office. Or go to your city, go to the town, go to downtown, book an office, right? Rent an office when it's time to shoot content. Go to a nice area when you're taking calls. Whatever it is, first and foremost, you need to invest in a nice working area so people can take you more serious. If you're taking calls, shooting content from your room, it's gonna look a lot less professional. You're gonna look like a little kid. You're gonna look like someone that I wouldn't want to work with. Like, if someone was doing that and they reached out to me and I saw their page, it looked very unprofessional, I probably wouldn't even want to work with them. But if you invest maybe $500, guys, into a setup, right? A nice backdrop, some lighting, a nice desk, a laptop, right? Whatever it is, guys, you can easily make a home studio in your mom's house, in a bedroom, whatever it might be. Turn that into a nice home studio, a nice home office. You can shoot content. You can take your calls. You'll feel a lot more confident. You'll feel like a professional when you show up every single day just because of your environment. So first and foremost, right, you're investing into your setup, you're investing into your equipment, right? But that's the first part of it, right? Now you need to actually shoot content. So there's organic and there's paid content, right? I would definitely recommend everyone to start with organic content. It's free. Get a camera, use your iPhone, get a microphone, get lighting. You can do this for under $50, guys. It's not expensive. You just start making videos. Maybe record your screen and show a slideshow, show a presentation, show a website, talk about what you did for one client, talk about what you did, even if you don't have any clients, talk about a fake client, right? Talk about the results you got a client. And just posting that on your social media, guys. Put it into CapCut before you post it. Chop it up, add captions, add a title, right? And even pay an editor $20, $15 just to edit it, add some pop-ups, and you'll have a very engaging video, right? Post that to short form, post that on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and then make a long form video out of it, guys. Now you start building a portfolio, building your resume, right? Building your track record online. And now your ideal client, now your potential customers who are looking on your page or even searching for your services, they find you and you look amazing, right? You look very professional. You have multiple videos talking about the services. So by the time they jump on a call with you, or by the time you even DM them, they're like, okay, I'll actually hear this guy out, right? He looks like a proven expert in my industry. He looks like he knows what he's talking about. Let me at least give him a shot. Rather, if you had nothing on your Instagram, nothing on your Facebook, no YouTube videos, no professional setup, and you reached out to a business owner, reached out to a potential client, guys, as a business owner myself, I wouldn't even take you serious. I would ignore you like the remaining 50 phone calls I'm getting, like the other 50 DMs I'm getting, completely ignore you like all the other cold emails I'm getting as well. So just being professional, looking like an actual expert in your industry is like the first step, like I said. Then it's making content, right? And how do I make content? Guys, just look at your competitors. Go on Instagram, go on Facebook, go on YouTube. See what the competition is doing in your industry. Because guys, I'm gonna say right now, you're obviously not the only marketing company who's marketing in your niche. There's other people that have proven, there's other people with proven frameworks and there's other agency owners, guys, marketing agencies. Guys, there's other marketing agency owners who are posting every single day. They're posting content. Just literally steal their ideas and copy them. That's all you have to do. Copy it, make a little tweak, make it a little bit better, and just post short form content, guys. You can find unlimited ideas from your competitors. I do this for my agency. I do this for my info product. I do this for my social medias in general to where, okay, what is the competition doing? What is trending right now? What is gonna grab attention? And make that into a short form video. Also make a long form video to go alongside with it. But most importantly, that short form content, guys, is going to get you a lot of clients. It's gonna get you a lot of attention, a lot of followers, and you're gonna look like that expert in your industry. So once you have the professional setup, a nice office, a nice equipment, you're starting to make content, you know, you have a few posts up, you have some nice edits, everything looks high quality, your Instagram's starting to look good, your Facebook's starting to look good, your YouTube's starting to look good, maybe even a LinkedIn profile, who knows, guys. Everything is starting to look good online. Now you're ready to start running paid ads, right? You can still do cold outreach, right? 100% still do cold outreach, still tell people you have an Instagram, still tell people you have a website, like show them all these things, that's great. And you know, that's still gonna bring you clients slowly, organically, which nothing wrong with that, but that's why we pair it with paid ads. Pairing organic with paid ads is the best thing you could possibly do as a marketing agency or for any business in general. And you don't even need to spend a lot on paid ads. $15, $20 per day is all you need to get started. Once again, go to Meta Ad Library or just go to your competitors and see how they're running their ads, see what they're doing on paid media. You can make Facebook ads on Canva. Literally just a white screen with text is good enough for an ad, because I literally do that with my marketing agency and I get so many leads, a very, very low cost per lead. You can use Canva, you can pay someone to make your ad, you can do your ad in your office, whatever it is, guys. But once you're ready to run paid ads, fucking do it. Save some cash, save enough for 1 month, let them run for 1 month, optimize the campaigns. The leads are gonna start coming in, guys. But the most important thing, right? The leads are coming in, that's cool. But leads are just leads at the end of the day. Just because leads are coming in through your campaigns doesn't mean it's a closed deal, doesn't mean they're a closed client, right? 100%. So boom, you turn on paid ads. Your face, your ad, your company is all over these people's social medias. They're scrolling, they're seeing you. They're scrolling, they're seeing you, right? Right, they opt into your ad, cool, whatever, right? They maybe just might click on your page. They might start scrolling. Oh God, this guy is actually, he knows what he's talking about. Oh wow, look at this cool video. Look at this short form content. Look at this YouTube video. Look at his followers. Look at his bio. Everything just aligns and speaks to your ideal client, your ideal customer. So, okay, I just opted into this ad. This dude looks pretty legit. Boom, now you're calling him. Now you're appointment setting him, or whoever's calling him to book him on a meeting. Or maybe you finally sent him a text message after he opted into the ad. Hey man, yeah, I just saw you opted into my ad. Boom, now you're talking to the business owner. He's seen your face, he's seen your videos. He already trusts you a lot more compared to all these people who are, you know, cold calling, cold DM, cold email, whatever it might be. You immediately skip the line. You immediately unlock his trust. Because he turns from cold to a warm lead, right? He saw your ad, he sees your content, and he trusts you a lot more. And you have a way higher chance of getting that client. And this is how you start building momentum, right? You turn on paid ads with the organic content. You keep posting organic content, but now your ads are rolling, guys. Now your ads are on the feed of your ideal client. Everyone's seeing your ads and they're also clicking on your profile. You're getting more followers, you're getting more likes. You look like a proven expert in your industry, and that's exactly what you want to happen. You can keep the low ad budget, keep it at $15, $20 per day, that's fine. Keep posting organic content. You're still gonna get more followers, more likes, and more people are gonna trust your brand, trust your marketing agency. Guys, I know marketing agencies personally that sell 3-month packages for a $6,000 pay in full. They're getting people to pay in full for 3 months at the ticket of $6,000 for Facebook ads, websites, automations, like the whole package. They're paying in full. Guys, they wouldn't do that to a stranger. They wouldn't trust just anybody for a pay in full. If you want these big tickets, these high ticket sales, guys, that's what it is, high ticket sales. You need to have trust, right? You need to have credibility. People need to see your face, right? If you're taking the calls, that's even better. Now you understand why you're stuck at 1 to 3,000 per month, 1 to 5,000 per month. Maybe you're not doing enough content. Maybe you're not taking it serious. You're not going all in. You're not really, going all in with your marketing agency, really branding it and really, embracing it. That's what you need to do. Embrace your marketing agency. You have the solutions. You can change people's lives. You can change these business owners' lives. They just don't know that yet. Nobody trusts you. No one believes in you. So first of all, you just need to take yourself more serious, take your marketing agency more serious, go all in, work your job, do whatever you have to do, invest all that money into equipment, invest all that money into an office, invest all that money into lighting, backdrops, cameras. Now invest more money into knowledge, right? Start watching content on YouTube, learn actually how to do marketing, right? Then you can start making short form content. Then you can start making YouTube videos, right? Start building your followers, start getting more likes, start getting more videos just online in general so people can actually see what you do. If you want to learn a little bit more on how I got past 15K per month with my marketing agency, I have a free WHAM training. It's a free mini course on exactly how I did so. So check that out in my bio. And also I have a paid one-on-one mentorship and private course if you're looking for some more things that you can't find on YouTube and if you need more hands-on one-on-one. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I drop a lot of free sauce on the websites, ads, automations, and marketing agency. Without further ado, I'll see y'all guys on the next video.